Have you ever heard of chair yoga? It's a form of yoga that can be done right from the comfort of your own chair. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need a fancy yoga mat or a spacious studio to practice yoga. All you need is a sturdy chair and a few minutes of your time. Chair yoga is a gentle form of yoga that is perfect for people of all ages and fitness levels. It's especially great for those who may have mobility issues or find it difficult to get down on the floor for traditional yoga poses. With chair yoga, you can still reap all the benefits of a regular yoga practice without having to strain yourself or push your body beyond its limits. So, how does chair yoga work? Well, it's quite simple actually. All you need to do is find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably in a sturdy chair. Make sure your feet are flat on the ground and your back is supported by the chair. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and then begin to move through a series of gentle stretches and poses. One of the great things about chair yoga is that you can do it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, in the office, or even on a plane, you can easily sneak in a quick chair yoga session. It's a great way to relieve stress, improve your flexibility, and increase your overall sense of well-being. Some of the most common chair yoga poses include seated twists, forward folds, and side stretches. These poses help to stretch and strengthen your muscles, improve your posture, and increase your circulation. They also help to calm your mind and reduce anxiety, making chair yoga a great practice for both your body and your mind. One of the best things about chair yoga is that it can be done in just 5 minutes. That's right, you only need 5 minutes out of your day to practice chair yoga and start feeling the benefits. Whether you're taking a quick break at work or winding down before bed, a short chair yoga session can make a world of difference in how you feel. If you're new to chair yoga, don't worry, there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. You can find online videos, books, and classes that will guide you through the basics of chair yoga and help you build a regular practice. You can also experiment with different poses and sequences to find what works best for you and your body. So, why should you try chair yoga? Well, for starters, it's a great way to incorporate movement into your day, especially if you have a sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long periods of time can lead to stiffness and discomfort in your muscles, but chair yoga can help to counteract these effects and keep your body feeling limber and energized. Chair yoga is also a wonderful way to practice mindfulness and connect with your breath. By focusing on your body and your breath as you move through the poses, you can cultivate a sense of presence and awareness that can help you feel more grounded and centered in your daily life. In addition, chair yoga is a fantastic way to relieve tension and stress in your body. The gentle stretches and movements can help to release tightness in your muscles and promote relaxation throughout your entire body. This can be especially beneficial if you carry a lot of tension in your shoulders, neck, or back. Overall, chair yoga is a simple yet powerful practice that can have a profound impact on your physical and mental well-being. By taking just 5 minutes out of your day to practice chair yoga, you can improve your flexibility, reduce your stress levels, and increase your overall sense of vitality. So why not give it a try and see how it can benefit you